Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make marshmallows with gelatin sheets. First, gather your ingredients and equipment. Begin by blooming 12 sheets of gelatin in a bowl of very cold water for about 5 minutes. Make sure each sheet is completely submerged so they soften properly. Once softened, gently squeeze out any excess water from the gelatin sheets and set them aside. This step is crucial for a smooth marshmallow texture. Next, we'll prepare the sugar syrup. In a medium saucepan, combine 2 cups of granulated sugar, 3/4 of a cup of light corn syrup, and 1/2 cup of water. Place the pan over medium-high heat and stir until the sugar dissolves. Insert a candy thermometer and cook the syrup without stirring until it reaches 240 degrees Fahrenheit or 115 degrees Celsius. This precise temperature is key for the marshmallow's structure. Now for the exciting part, whipping. Carefully pour the hot sugar syrup into the bowl of a stand mixer fitted with a whisk attachment. Add the bloomed gelatin sheets directly into the hot syrup. Begin whipping on high speed for about 10 to 12 minutes. The mixture will become very thick, white, and glossy. In the last minute of whipping, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for flavor. This creates that classic marshmallow fluff. Finally, it's time to set your marshmallows. Lightly grease a 9x 13-inch baking pan and dust it generously with powdered sugar. Pour the marshmallow mixture into the prepared pan, spreading it evenly. Let it set at room temperature for at least 4 hours or preferably overnight. Once firm, invert onto a cutting board, cut into squares, and toss them in more powdered sugar. And hey, for more great tips and deals, check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, plus other offers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.